How sadly sleeps the moon tonight upon the shoulder of a cloud. I saw you in my dreams last night, a quiet ghost behind a shroud. I called to you with all my strength, reached out a cold and lonely hand, but a veil of time and tears held us apart, and you slipped away into a sea of sand. Oh, how I wish I had you here with me tonight, your fierce and fiery flesh pressed close to mine. Together we take this dreary starless night and make it shine and make it shine. If only I was yours and you were mine. How sadly sleeps the moon tonight upon the shoulder of a cloud. I saw you in my dreams last night, a quiet ghost behind a shroud.